In today's video, I will teach you how to add a clean white border to your images in Canva. Borders can really accentuate photos and give them a polished, modern look. Let's get started. First, log into Canva and open the design where your image is located. If you're starting fresh, just create a new design and upload your photo. Click directly on the image you want to add a border to. This will highlight the image and display editing options at the top. Now, click the Edit Photo option from the top menu. This opens a panel with features specifically for adjusting your image. In the Edit panel, scroll to the Shadow section. Here, click on the option called Outline. This instantly applies a border effect around your image. Next, look for the outline settings. You'll see an option to change the border color. Click the color box, open the color picker and select white. You can also adjust the border thickness, transparency, and blur for a sharper or softer edge. Experiment until you get the style that fits your design. Want to get creative? Try experimenting with other shadow or outline styles to give your photo more depth or unique effects. And there you have it. Adding a white border in Canva is quick, simple, and instantly upgrades the look of your images. Play around with the settings to match your style, and your designs will look more professional than ever. Thanks for watching.